Welcome to WebStyle Plus. I have this PDF file that is sideways. I want to rotate it permanently. I can rotate it from this program. This is Foxit PDF Reader. But it does not make it permanent. If I close it and reopen the file, it is sideways again. So I want to do it permanently. To do that, I will go to Google Docs, upload the PDF by clicking New, File Upload, select the file, double-click to open it, and then press Open with Google Docs. And here it is. I will adjust its size. And from the menu, I will select Image Options. Click Size and Rotation. And from here, you can rotate it in the desired direction until it is straight. Then I can download it as PDF file. File, Download, PDF document. Save. And now if we open it, the PDF has been rotated permanently. Instead of Google Docs, you can also use Photopea to do the same. Search Photopea, go to Photopea website, File, Open, Sideways PDF. And here's the PDF file. Now from the image menu, use Transform. Transform, rotate 180, and then rotate 90 degree. Then export it as PDF file. File, export as PDF. So this is how you can rotate a PDF permanently. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.